Kalshi's unhinged AI ad just crashed the NBA Finals stage in a groundbreaking 48-hour creation. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W Dewald. This is Friday, June 13th, 2025. PJ Axaturo crafted this ad using Google's VO3, cutting costs by 95%. The world is buzzing. Is this chaotic AI style the advertising norm now? Moving from screens to playrooms, OpenAI and Mattel are pairing up to turn beloved toys like Barbie into AI wonders. But will AI toys spell a playful future or trigger privacy woes? ByteDance's Seedance 1.0 is flexing major video muscles, topping benchmarks and challenging giants like Google. The battle for video AI supremacy is heating up, but Seedance's rapid generation might redefine video production. Are we ready for this seismic shift in technology? That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W Dewald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about AI tech leaps in the comments. Give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.